BBOX Pro upgraded with auto recovery function. Quickly enter the recovery mode free from computer or pressing buttons. Connect BBOX Pro to computer or power supply with a Type-C data cable. Press SW1 button to switch to auto recovery interface. Connect mobile phone to BBOX Pro. Please note to shut down the phone when connecting. Connect BBOX Pro to the phone with a 3.0 data cable. The phone enters recovery mode automatically. 15 series phones can use the new product of JCID F15 Type-C port 3.0 data cable. Connect the phone. 15 series phones enter recovery mode automatically. Connect BBOX Pro to the computer. You can analyze the wearable data on the P13, P15 interface auxiliary pair platform. Box Pro is detected. Click Connect. Check the open-able analysis. Connect the phone to BBOX Pro. Note: shut down the phone before connecting. Then it will analyze the wearable data automatically.